Have you ever tried to run a Docker container only to be met with a frustrating connection refused error? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the common issue of ERR connection refused when using Docker. I totally get it. You're new to Docker, and it can feel overwhelming when things don't work as expected. You're not alone in this. Many beginners face similar challenges when setting up their first containers. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting a connection refused error when trying to access my Rails app in Docker?" They built their Docker file without errors, but when they tried to connect, they hit a wall. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what could be causing this connection issue? It often boils down to network settings, port mappings, or even how Docker Toolbox interacts with your Windows machine. We'll break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that could save you from future connection headaches. First, the user should ensure that the Docker container is running and that the Rails server is properly configured to listen on the correct port. The user can check the output of the Docker run command for any errors. Next, the user should confirm that the port mapping is correctly set up. In the output of the Docker ps command, the user should see a mapping from a host port to the container port. Now the user should check their firewall settings. Sometimes firewalls can block access to the ports that Docker uses. The user should ensure that the port is open for incoming connections. Finally, if the user is using Docker Toolbox, they should ensure they are accessing the correct IP address. The user can find the Docker machine IP by running the command docker machine IP. Fun fact, did you know that Docker was originally designed to help developers create, deploy, and run applications in containers? It's like having a mini virtual machine for each app. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests accessing your Docker services through the virtual machine's IP address. They recommend running the command docker machine ls to find your VM's address. Then, use that address along with the map port to access your service. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests two key adjustments. First, they recommend using the virtual machine's IP address instead of localhost to access the application. Second, they advise ensuring that the exposed port matches the TCP listening port, which was set to 9292 instead of the expected 3000. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your port mappings and IP addresses when working with Docker. This simple habit can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the connection refused error and get your Rails app running smoothly in Docker. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video on advanced Docker techniques.